Alright guys, I'm down here at Elber Motorsports property at the shop. Last week, I was working on the 240. It's been a long time since you guys have seen an update on this. Clearly, engine is back in the car. It's sitting a whole lot different than it did the last time I pulled out the camera. But the point, last week, I went to try and do the first crank that I've done with this since I pulled the engine out, and we got nothing. We put the key in, turn it, fuel pump comes on, accessory lights, all that. Full crank, nothing. It just dead silent. So we pulled the starter out, did a couple tests, and diagnosed that my old starter, which is sitting down there on the shelf, was it was unfortunately bad. So that night, it was Saturday night, I ordered up a new starter, and I got a Mishimoto, brand new, straight from Mishimoto SR20 starter, and I threw it in just now, about 5 minutes ago, and I couldn't wait for the camera. I threw the key in, and let's just, I'll walk you guys through what I did. So, you can hear the door chime works. I've got lights, got power. So I took my 12 volt that I've got run into my starter, and it cranks. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my fuel pump, and we're gonna see if this thing's gonna start or not, to be honest. I'm not too sure if it will. I really hope. I really hope it does. Honestly, if it doesn't, I have no fucking idea what it could be. So, just flip my fuel pump on. I've got it on a manual switch. I might have the fuel pump, fuel line swapped. No! Oh shit! What the fuck? Alright, that's enough of that. Clearly that didn't work. Something is not liking this. Full power, where the fuck? Where was that coming from? I don't know, clearly you guys probably saw that smoke. I'm a little concerned, honestly, not too sure what it could have been. I'm assuming I don't have enough grounds, but I'm gonna dive into it and we'll figure it out. I did disconnect the power. All right, yeah, you guys heard it, it cranks. Now I just gotta figure out what problem child number 3,600 and whatever fucking number we're on now of problems, but at least it cranks. So let's dive into it, figure out what's wrong again. All right, added a couple ghetto grounds to see if that was the problem. Tyler's gonna go and, well, stand there and look at shit while I, yep, see if it blows up in his face. I gotta fucking hook the battery back up first. Yep, my fuel pump switch is still on. I clearly left that on.
Switch?
The switch. Okay, key is on.
Now, did we put a switch in one? We put a fuel pump switch on that.
Yeah. Thought you were being sarcastic at first. All right, ready?
Yep. That started.
Yep. You want me to try and idle it out?
Yeah, that started.
misfiery. Fuck yeah! No leaks either. No leaks. Yeah, keyword. Yeah.
Fan's dick.
What?
I said your fan is dick.
Yeah, it wobbles.
Yeah.
I saw that.
That's not good
Yeah.
for
The
bearing
thing. Yeah,
purposes.
yeah. I'll buy a new one.
Unless she runs.
She runs. Sounds like it misfires.
Yep. Definitely sounds like it misfires. Why are these all different colors? That's so stupid.
I don't know. It could be a number of things. Could be bad gas.
Yeah. Oh, is this the one?
It's the original gas from
that needs to
when
come
it-
out of there.
when I bought
You
it.
should have never put that back into the system.
Well,
Yay!
it fucking runs, baby.
40 light.
Holy shit. Wow. All right. 9 months later, I didn't blow it up yet. Or burn it to the ground. That's good, I guess. Yeah.
It's a great way to stay in shape.
Great way to stay in shape. All right, yeah. It's open downpipe right now, so it's ending like right here.
Battery's about to die, big dog.
Huh?
Battery's about to die.
Yeah.
Here, pause it.
I made it.
Yeah, it did.